beloved, this song is for your birthday. Ikaw, aking apo, na ngayon ay mag-birthday. Ikaw, aking apo, na ngayon ay mag-6 years old na. Mula nung ika'y pinanganak, ika'y aming minamahal. Lagi ka naming sinubaybayan, at di ka namin pinabayaan. Ikaw, aking apo, na ngayon'y malaki na. Ako ang iyong mamalang, na ngayon'y kumakanta. Ako ang iyong mamalang, na sa'yo'y nagmamahal. Labis akong masaya dahil lumaki kang mabait na bata. Di mo kami pinabayaan, palagi kang nagmamahal. Ikaw, aking apo, na mabait at mapagmahal. Ko ang iyong mamalang, nandito sa'yo'y kumakanta. Love you, baby love. Happy birthday.
A grandmother's love is a boundless treasure that transcends time. From the moment you were born, her heart bloomed with an unconditional love that will forever envelop you. In her embrace, you'll find comfort, wisdom, and unwavering support. Her love nurtures your dreams, embraces your flaws, and celebrates your triumphs. Cherish the moments, for her love will forever be a guiding light, like a warm hug that stays with you, even in the darkest of times. Grandmother's love is a precious gift to hold on to, reminding you that you are cherished and adored now and always.